Leaked images of the DJI Air 3S just dropped, and if you're into drones, you're gonna want to see this. Thanks to Osita LV and Igor Bogdanov, we've got a sneak peek at what DJI's cooking up next in the Air series, and it looks like they're going all out with the camera upgrades. Let's start with the design. The DJI Air 3S keeps that classic Air series vibe: compact, foldable, and super portable. It's got the usual sleek gray body with black propellers and the Air 3S label right on the arm. But what really stands out is the dual camera setup up front. It's bigger than what we've seen before, which means DJI might be packing in some serious new tech. There's also a new sensor array on top, could be time of flight, or even LiDAR, which would make this drone a beast at tracking subjects and dodging obstacles. Speaking of cameras, it looks like DJI is going for a similar setup to the Mavic 3 Pro, with that oversized lens that makes the drone look a bit front-heavy. But don't let that fool you. This camera could be a game changer. We're talking a Sony CMOS sensor, maybe the IMX320, with a 14 EV dynamic range that's perfect for nailing those sunset shots. Plus, it's got improved noise reduction and can stitch together panoramas with a crazy 13,000 by 6,500 pixel resolution. As for features based on leaks, the Air 3S might bring some serious upgrades. Think HDR modes that handle contrast like a pro, better ISO settings for low-light shooting, and of course, 4K video. Igor Bogdanov even joked that the DJI Neo might get overshadowed by this release, and honestly, he might be right. All in all, the DJI Air 3S is shaping up to be a solid choice for anyone looking to step up their drone game, whether you're a hobbyist or a pro. If DJI pulls off these upgrades, it could set a new standard for drones in this category. But enough from me, what do you think? Will the Air 3S live up to the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Catch you in the next one.